Hello friends, in this video tutorial, let us see how to build a stepped group report with subtotals in SSRS without using the report wizard. Okay, that is directly in the report project. So for this, let us go to SSDT. Let us go and add a new item. Let us add a report item. Let us name this item as report project stepped group report, right? Okay, so now we have got report data. In this, let us add a data set. We will use the shared data set. This data set we had created in one of our earlier video tutorials, and the data query inside this data set is just selecting all the records from our total sale table. So let's click OK. Okay, so we can see all the fields from our total sale table. Okay, we are just having a select star from total sale table. Okay, now let us go to toolbox and let us add a table. Okay, and let us add a text box. Let us resize the text box and let us call this as sales report. Now let us resize the text. Let us give it proper colors. Okay, now we want a report in which we have region as our first level group, followed by country as our second level group. Okay, and we want to have names of people who are doing sales, okay, along with the product name, item sold, and sales price. Okay, fine. So this is the data that we want. Let us make it bold. Let us give it a proper color. Right. So let us just first of all view the detailed report. So this is the data that we want to view in terms of stepped report, okay, with subtotals, right? So let us just rename the columns. First name, last name, right? Now the report looks little bit better. So now what we want is, we want region to act as our first group and we want country to act as our second group. So let us go and right click over here and say add group, okay, row group, parent group, right? So let's go and add region and let's add a header. Okay, so now if you view, then our parent group, that is for region, has been added. Now we don't require this column, right, because it is repeating. So let's go delete this region column, save everything, view the data. So this is exactly how we want, right? We want region and then we want the corresponding data, but we want one more level of grouping, and that is we want grouping on country also. Okay, so go over here, this is the region group, go to add group, add a child group and select country, right, and have a header group row for that also. So save everything. So this is exactly how we want the data to be, right? India, then India's record, Japan and Japan's record, right? France, Germany's records, USA's record, right? Now let us do some formatting. Let us make it bold. Let's make the color as white. Let's make the background color as dark blue. Okay. Now let's do some formatting for these cells also. So let's select the shift key and do the same kind of formatting for these rows also. Okay, so we can see the preview, right? So we have Asia, Europe and North America, that is continent, that is region, and inside that we have data for the corresponding countries. Now let's do some formatting for country also. So make it bold. Let us select these cells also. So we have made everything bold. Let's make fore color to be white, and let's make light blue color for country, right? And also similarly, let us do some formatting for the detailed portion also. Okay, save. And now you can see a very good report, right? Where the records for region are mentioned, then records for country are mentioned, and then records for the detailed records for that particular country are mentioned. Now all that we need to add is we need to add the subtotals and grand totals, right? That is, we want country wise total, then we want region wise total, and then we want grand total. So let us go over here. Let us select this column. Let us say add total. Again select this column. This is the detailed section, remember that. So add total. Now this total is nothing but your country wise total. Okay, so just select this, cut, and put this over here, right, because it is a country wise total. Okay, select this, put this over here, and you may have to just do the formatting once again. Okay, so make it bold, let the color be this one, and let the fore color be white. Okay, so if you see the preview, we can see that for country India, the total that is being displayed is 7, because there are two records for India. The first record is having value 2 and second record is having value 5. So this is the summation value. Similarly, 1500 plus 900 is 2400. Same is the case with all the countries. Okay, so it is displaying the totals correctly. 10 plus 7 is 17. 5000 plus 2100 is 7100. So country wise totals are coming absolutely correctly. Now let us similarly go and add totals for the continents, that is the regions. So these are actually region wise totals. So let's go and copy this cell. Let's paste it for region. Again, let's go and copy this cell and let's paste it over here in region. Right now, if you observe, we don't require these extra rows, like this one, these are extra rows being added. So let us go select that row. Okay, this is the row, right click and delete row. Similarly, we don't want this row, so let's select this row, right click and delete this row. Also the formatting has changed for two cells, so let us make it same. Let us have it as bold, white color, and background color will be this one. So now if we preview the report, very good report is coming up. Asia, you can see the total for Asia. It is 10 because there are two countries, India having total of 7 and Japan having total of 3. That's why the total for Asia is 10. Similarly, for Europe, the total for France is 17, Germany is 2, total for Europe is 19. Okay, so a very good report is coming up now. Okay, you can see the report, right? Now we have added the detail part, we have added the first level grouping of country, and we have added the higher level grouping of region also. So everything is there. Now all that we need to do is we need to so this is a stepped report. Basically this is a stepped report, but this is not a drill down stepped report. Now we need to convert this stepped report into a drill down stepped report. So let's go to design again, let's go to details. For this is also a kind of group, details section is also a kind of group. So let's go to use group properties, let's go to visibility, hide it, and toggle the visibility based on country 1, right? And similarly, so you can see first of all that the data for France is hidden, right? Data for Germany is hidden, right? Data for India is hidden, for Japan it is hidden, right? So we have successfully started toggling based on the detailed records for country, right? And you can see that summation and totals are also maintained. Now similarly we need to toggle based on the country for region also, right? So let us go to design, let us go to country group, group details, visibility, hide, toggle based on region 1, correct? Okay, now our report is ready. We can see only thing is grand total is missing, so let us add grand total also. So this is the region level total, so just select this total, add total, select this total, add total. Okay, let's call this as grand total, right, because this is the total for the whole report. And let's have the color for the last row of grand total to be matching with our main header level color. Let's save everything. Now this is a perfect report. You can see this is a sales report. So by default it is showing region wise sales, Asia, Europe and North America, and you can directly see the total number of items sold and sold price, and grand total is also visible, right? Okay, so 10 plus 19 plus 11 is 30 plus 10 is 40, right? So this is perfectly fine. Now if you want to drill down on Asia, you want to know the reason why this is 10 or why this is 3500, go over here. So this is 10 because it has got two countries, India and Japan, with values 7 and 3, and this is 3500 because for the values for India and Japan are 2400 and 1100. Now if you want to go in further detail, you can go and find out, okay, this is the reason why these values are 7 and this value is 2400, correct? So in this way you can basically toggle for all the sections, and the grand totals are also present. So in this tutorial we have created the sales report, in which we have got stepped report having drill down with all the subtotals and total at the grand total level also, right? So I hope friends this video tutorial is useful to you. Thank you.